Hi, my name is Therese. Thank you for stopping by. And today is Saturday. I'm going to do some cooking. Usually this will be dinner time, so I'll show you how to do my okra, some beans, fry some fish, make some fufu. Okay, stick around with me and don't mind my kikwembe. I'm at home. It's called a wrap, but we say kikwembe in Swahili. So don't mind it, and thank you for stopping by. So I'm making okra. I don't know what it is about okra. It's already pre-cut, clean and whatnot. It was frozen. So I'm gonna put some oil. I'm also gonna fry some fish, and then I'm going to do some beans. By these beans, I'm going to fry them in some red palm oil. Put it on first thing first. I'm just gonna do as for the sake of dinner, so people can eat. I'm gonna do all of these at the same time. I already cut onions, cilantro, green onions, garlic, tomatoes. Okay. I'm just doing half, and I'm gonna fry it. Red palm oil. I usually use this in sombe or any other vegetables, but today I'm gonna do beans. It's been a while since I do beans with red palm oil, but let's see how it's gonna be today. As you can see, I don't really measure, and one of the reasons that I don't bake, because you have to measure and be precise with everything. I'm not precise at all, so I just throw stuff together, taste it afterwards, and see how it turns out. That's how I do my cooking. Okay, while that's cooking, I'm actually looking for a cover for that, but I can't even seem to find it. Yeah. This cover, half the oil is heated up. I'm gonna put in my beans. I'm mixing a little bit. I didn't want to do too much. Then this is heavy covered, but it works. These covers are great for my pot. It works on every pot. Just gonna use that. I don't like the red oil going everywhere. Then it's a mess to clean afterwards. Black peppers, I don't know if you can see. This is Sam's. You can get any, you can get it from anywhere. I like to use the chicken flavor bouillon on my vegetables. And some seasoned sauce. Just simple seasoned salt. That's all I'm gonna use for this stuff. Garlic, the green tomatoes, and cilantro. I'm not gonna use the fresh tomatoes. I'm gonna use instead tomato paste. Maybe tomato paste or tomato sauce will do. So that's just my black pepper and salt, Caesar sauce. And the chicken bouillon. As you can see, I didn't put too much seasoned salt because I'm doing the chicken bouillon. You don't want it to be too much. Let's open that, let it open it. Just like a tablespoon. Adding some water. Just let me cook. I can check on my okra. Onions, refine tomato for the okra. Before you feed anybody, taste it first. Just a couple more minutes and the onions will be done. And I'm gonna add some tomato paste. All this stuff you cook, especially the okra or the moringa, usually like half an hour you can have dinner. Just cook that all up. I'm gonna fry some fish really quick, and this can be put on the side. By the way, I don't think I shared that I cooked the beans already. The beans were already cooked. The only thing that I had to do is just, fry them and put sauce. That's the only thing I did. So I can take them out. I'm gonna make some food really quick. That's what the only thing I like to eat, the moringa. We can't live without some pepper. But I'm not gonna cut it, I'm just gonna throw the whole thing in there. Let's fry some fish. Some oil. I usually use a deep fryer, but it's just gonna be something quick, only one fish, so just one fish, really quick for dinner. Tilapia. So my fufu, when it's about to get warm, with some flour. You get this out of the African store, the flour. You can get some marina or the one that says Ugali, you call it Ugali. I have to flip it over one more time. Some fufu flowers on it. some fufu. Here's the finished product. I got my fried fish, okra, and the beans with fufu. One more thing that I'm waiting for is the meat. I'm making some meat too. So Ali, come and eat. The queen of nose. She don't eat fufu like us. Neither is that one. Alright, I'm gonna go eat. Okay?
Bye!
Thank you for watching. See you next time.